Hi everyone, I'm Erica Richard. We're down at Breed Middle School playing a slow pitch tournament this weekend in honor of our friend Vanessa Masucci.
How you doing? Joe Conlon here.
Roy Rodriguez.
And we're here at the Vanessa Masucci Softball Tournament, ready to get going. Obviously for a great cause, great family. Joe, we work with Joe. Joe's a great guy. That's kind of why we're down here, and just honored to be part of it, honored to be asked to be part of it, and hope we have some fun.
Yep, it's going to go for a good cause. It's going to be a scholarship for Lynn Senior, right?
Yep.
We got a couple of teams playing. I believe there's 8 or so. No, 11. 11 teams. Somebody has a bye round, and then the winners today face them tomorrow. Not sure what else.
That's it. Good luck to all. Hopefully we have some luck out there.